Okay, we will discuss some examples now. In the figure, PQ perpendicular to PS. PQ perpendicular to PS. So 90 degrees. And PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to SR. Okay, these two arrow marks are indicating that those two lines are parallel. And SQR is equal to 28. SQR 28 degrees. And QRT is equal to 65. QRT 65. Find the values of X and Y. Find the values of X and Y. Now, one important thing, children, here, what is given in the question, each and everything is important in geometry. What is given? PQ perpendicular to PS, PQ parallel to SR. Okay, if you use each condition, then you will get answers. If you neglect these two, that means if you did not follow the question properly, if you keep on stressing on the diagram, you may not do anything. Okay? Now, I am taking one part in this. PQ parallel to SR. Why I chosen that parallel only? If two lines are parallel, then angles we know. Either we can find vertically opposite angles, alternate angles, corresponding angles, or co-interior angles. Many angles are there. We can investigate them. What it is exactly. So that's why I am selecting this. PQ parallel to SR. And that particular part only I am taking. I am not considering all. Only the PQ and SR I am considering. Okay? I am separating the diagram. This is PQ and this is SR. PQ parallel to SR. Okay? PQ parallel to SR is there. Okay, or else PQ parallel to SR. These two lines are parallel. If they are parallel, if I join Q and R, okay, a little extension in your mind, these two lines are parallel, then this is a line intersecting two parallel lines at two distinct points, that is Q and R. Therefore, this is transverse. Good. Now, here one angle is given already. QRT 65. Good. Now, this angle is how much? PQR. PQR. PQR is how much? X and 28 together. Good. X plus 28. X plus 28. Now, how the angles these two are? Either side of the transversal, both are interior and they are not adjacent. Now, angles are equal because they are alternate angles. Good. So, X plus 28 is equal to 65. So, X is equal to 65 minus 28. Now, if you subtract, you will get the answer. Okay. So, I used PQ parallel to SR and I solved. To solve, okay, what is completed? X is completed. Now, Y I should complete. That's why one more clue also given to you. PQ perpendicular to PS. PQ perpendicular to PS. I am using that diagram now to solve the next sum. Next bit is this. Okay, P, Q, S perpendicular. If I take along this diagram like this, yes, it's a triangle. Triangle means how many degrees it is? Good, 90 degrees. PQS. PQS is how much? X. What is X? Just now we proved 37. Now, what he is asking? Y. Y is nothing but PSQ. PSQ. This is Y. Okay. Now, three angles are there in a triangle. Angle sum property. What it is indicating? Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. So now I can write 90 plus 37 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Now I want y is equal to 180 minus, because 90 plus 37 it is plus addition. Transfer to that side minus, because it's a linear equation. Okay. So 127. Now y is equal to 53 degrees. So x value is 37 degrees, y value is 53 degrees. Okay? Okay. Now we will discuss one more example. In triangle ABC. Okay? As usual, in triangle ABC. A, B, C. A plus B is equal to 65. If I add these two angles, then I will get 65. B plus C is equal to 140. Then what he is asking? Find the measure of each angle in a triangle. Okay. What is given? A plus B is equal to 65. B plus C is equal to 140. Now we have one more rule. Yes, that is angle sum property of a triangle. That is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Since angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. I told you very clearly. That is, if you post any statement, that reason should be there along with that. Now, A plus. Now, what is there here? B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. B plus C. In the question, what is B plus C? Good. 140. Substitute here is equal to 180. It's just a logical question. So, angle A is equal to plus 140, go to that side, minus 140. 180 minus 140, 40. We got the value of A. At the same time, A plus B is equal to how much? 65. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property of a triangle. A plus B is equal to 65 plus C is equal to 180. Now, angle C is equal to 180 minus 65. So, angle C value is 115. So, we got A value and C value. Now, many ways are there. You can substitute this one in this, you will get B. Or you substitute C value in this, you will get B. Anything you can use. Okay, anyway, I am using the first one. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 65. A value is how much I got? 40. I am substituting here. 40 plus B is equal to 65. So angle B is equal to 65 minus 40. So angle B is equal to 25. Now what he is asking? Find the measure of each angle. A is 40, B is 25, C is 115. What is C? 115. Means more than 90? Yes. So more than 90 means what type of triangle it is? Good. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now one more example. In the figure, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel. If x is equal to 4 by 3 times y is equal to 3 by 8 times z. Okay? Now, actually what is given in the question, if first only one part is clear to us. What is that? AB parallel to CD. Let me understand the question. I will draw a little small diagram. B, A, C, D. These two lines are parallel. Now, can I take this as transversal? Because if two lines are parallel, a line, straight line, intersect distinct distinct lines at distinct points, then it is transverse. Now, x, y, z. See, all the three parts are inside. That too, this is ABC. ABC. The total part is covering. Total part. What is that? X plus y. And BCD is Z. Two lines are parallel. It's a transversal. Now what property is there in between? What type of angles are there in between? Just investigate the property. Both are interior. Both are interior. And both are same side of the transversal. And they are not adjacent angles. Both are interior, same side of the transversal. They are not adjacent. What pair it is? Yes, co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Good. So, first angle is x plus y. Second angle is z is equal to 180 degrees. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees because it is co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. It's a statement and it's a reason. Now, what is x? He gave to you. X value is how much? 4/3 y. X value is 4/3 y plus y plus z plus z. See here, y is equal to 3/8 z. But if I write in place of z in terms of y, now my entire equation I will get in terms of y. So linear equation in y, I can solve it. That's why if 3/8 into I am sending to this side, so y into 8/3 is equal to z. Y into 8/3 is equal to z. So in place of z, in place of z, I am writing y into 8/3 or nothing but 8y/3 is equal to 180. Now, here nothing means 1. So what is LCM? Good. 3. So 4y plus 3y plus 8y is equal to 180. Now 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. 15y is equal to 180 into 3. Y is equal to, do not multiply because 180 by 15, it is 12 times cancel. 12 3s are 36. Y value is 36. What is y value? 36. Now we will find x and z. X is equal to, what is x value? 4/3 y. 4/3 y. What value of y? 36. So 3 in 36, 12 times 4 12s are 48. Next, z value. I am finding z value. Z value is how much? Y into 8/3 or 8/3 times y. So 12 times. So 8 12s are 96. So x value is 48, y value is 36, z value is 96. But he did not ask for the value of x, y, z. What he is asked, we will find. Find angle BCD. BCD. Of course, z. Z is how much? 96. You need to write angle BCD is equal to 96. Second one, ABC. ABC. Angle ABC is equal to, he gave x plus y. ABC. X plus y. X value is how much? 48. Plus y value is how much? 36. Okay. 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. Now third angle. BAD. BAD. We don't know this is. Let me consider as A. Then see, we can find this is as different ways also. One of the best way. Now I am shading one part. Okay, I am shading one part. Tell me what is that part? Right? Triangle. So sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees because a plus x plus 72 is equal to 180. Since angles are property of a triangle. A, I should find out x value 48 plus 72 is equal to 180. A plus 48 plus 72. Okay, 120. Now I want A. A is equal to 60. Where A is, what is that angle? BAD. Angle BAD is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so what you should do is, from the main diagram, you should separate what is required. How to find what is required? It will be given in the question. Here he gave AB parallel to CD. That means AB line, CD line, both are parallel and taken that. Okay, after that you should investigate what type of angles are present. Okay, such a way that if you solve, okay, you can simplify all the sums.